का मैं आके बाप को खा लूं?
क्या हुआ?
एक आदमी ना जाने बैठा के समाधि होगा मेरे पंडित जी का गुस्सा है रे भाई राधे गरमा गरम चाय आइए राधे आइए राधे गंदे करे चाय। ये लीला स्थल ये समझो तो ये मंदिर नहीं है ये सब नहीं बाबा लाइव में कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
नंद लाला की जय जय राम की जय जय
कृष्ण बलराम की
जय
हरि
हरि बोल। So we are in Ter Kadam, but we are in outside Ter Kadam. So they are very strict here now. Everyone can ride freely. Now they are becoming more strict. Anyway, so Ter Kadam, this is the place of Go Charan Leela, cow herding pastime. So Ter means shout or make noise, to shout or to call. And Kadam means Kadam Batri. So early in the morning.
They're always shouting. Ter, shouting. Ter.
Ter means to shout, to call, to make noise, That is ter.
Go.
Ter.
Chinese go.
So early morning, Krishna would come here, and no one is around, only Krishna. So in this place is the start of cow grazing. So Krishna will climb on Ter Kadam tree. Then Krishna will start to call the names of the cows, one by one. What are the different names? Cows. Like Gauri, Lakshmi,
Jagadbira,
or
Vishnu,
Lakshman, Ram. So many names, one by one. He will all call the names of the cows, and they will come here one by one, until Krishna is surrounded by so many cows. How many cows?
9 lakh.
How many cows? How many cows? 9 lakh cows. 9. So they have 9 lakh cows. 9 lakh means? 9 lakh means?
No luck.
It means what? 900,000 cows. So after that, Krishna will start calling all the cohort boys. You call all the cohort boys. Cohort boys. Subal, Sridham, Arjun, Stoka Krishna. All the names he will call one by one, and they will all gather together here. Now, each cohort boy, their mother will cook a packed lunch for them. So they will tie it in the cloth, and they will tie it on the branch of the trees of Kadam. So because of so many packed lunch being tied on each branches, the branches like goes down, So they leave their packed lunch there, and they will start grazing the cow. They will go around branch. Then on lunchtime, they will return here, and they will start untying the cloth. They will start taking their lunch. But the covered boys will not going to start a bite until Krishna comes. So Krishna is left behind. So they are waiting for Krishna, and they are already hungry. So they will call, "Hey Lala, hey Krishna, hey Kaniya, please come here, we are already hungry." Then Krishna will come, and they will start eating. So now you remember the painting, so where the covered boys, they are putting some sweets on Krishna's mouth, and they are passing around prasad. No? So that pastime took place here in Terkadam. So they will start sharing their food. They will ask what your mothers cook for you, what your mother, oh I like this, I like this. Then they will start giving Krishna, hey Krishna, you taste this, my mother cooked this. Then they will feed Krishna with their own hands. Then sometimes they will trick Krishna, they will put in his mouth, then they will retrieve it back. So in this way, they are joking around with Krishna. So everyone is like trying to trick Krishna. So this is the place in Terkadam here in Nandagaon where they perform the Gocharan. Gocharan means cow grazing lila. There is a famous song in Nandagaon during Gopastami. Yashoda Maya, you sing. Yashoda Maya.
खोल के बरिया लाला आयो गाय चरान यशोदा मैया खोल के बरिया लाला आयो गाय चराय
आयो गाय चरान लाला
आयो गाय चराय यशोदा मैया खोल के बरिया लाला आयो गाय चराय.
See, Ayo Gai Charan means
Ayo Gai
come,
Charan.
come. We will go for
Cow
grazing. Go Charan. So this is the starting point of cow grazing. Huh? So this place is so special. And sometimes Krishna would come here and he was looking for a butter, but this is forest. So how can they get butter? I want butter. I want butter. And the gopis would come here, they will give Krishna butter. Come, Krishna Krishna wants some butter. So all the gopis, they would come here and offer Krishna butter.
Fold.
Yes.
Come.
So now,
That's it.
that lila took place some 5,000 years
Fold.
ago. And just recently,
baar dalne.
during the time of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, the 6 Goswamis, they arrived here in Braj. And this Terkadam is the bhajan place of Sri Rupa Goswami.
Yes.
So this is where Srila Rupa Goswami wrote the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. It was summarized by Prabhupada as the nectar of devotion. So this is the spot in Terkadam. So Rupa Goswami started writing, the principles or the devotional practices of nectar, of different aspect of bhakti. So here in Terkadam, and because Rupa Goswami, he was so absorbed doing bhajan and writing books. And his brother, where is the bhajan place of Sarta Goswami?
There.
In Pavan Sarovar.
Yeah.
So it is both in Nandagaon. You see the speciality of Nandagaon. Even the Goswamis, they made it as their bhajan place because it is so conducive for bhajan. So sometimes Sarta Goswami would visit his brother, Rupa Goswami, and they will discuss about devotional service, about seva, about bhakti yoga. So then, because Sarta Goswami always comes here, Rupa Goswami desired to offer something to his brother because his brother always visited him, but he couldn't offer anything. So he was deciding at least I should cook something for my brother. I should offer him some sweet rice. But how can I do it? I am so busy writing, and then I'm just I'm always stay here. How could I gather ingredients? So in this way, he was kind of lamenting. So one day, a beautiful cohort girl came here. So she approached Rupa Goswami. Hey, Baba, my mother gave this to me. She told me to give it because we have extra supply of milk, and we have extra supply of rice, and we have some sugar and other things. So you can have it. You can cook some sweet rice. You offer to Takuji. This is for you, Baba. Okay? So after that, this beautiful young girl went back to Nandagaon. So she told Rupa Goswami that she is from Nandagaon. And so when the brother of Rupa Goswami came, Sanatan Goswami. So Sanatan Goswami, first, he took that at there is a kun actually at the back. It is called Krishna Balaram kun. Why? Because Krishna Balaram will always take bath there on that kun. And not just Krishna Balaram, also all the cows. So, Sanatan Goswami would take bath there. Then after taking bath, actually Rupa Goswami, he also don't have time to cook. He told that little girl, Lali, I am so old, I don't have facility, I don't have burner, I don't have cow dung, how can I cook? Okay, Baba, no problem, I will cook it for you. So that little girl cooked it for Rupa Goswami. She started cooking. So after cooking, okay Baba, now the sweet rice is ready. You can offer it to Thakurji. So Rupa Goswami offered it to Krishna Balaram. After offering, Sanatan Goswami had just finished his morning duty. He had taken a bath and he has put new fresh tilak. So he returned to Rupa Goswami's bhajan place. Then Rupa Goswami offered, okay, Bhaiya, my brother, please take this prasad. Then Sanatan Goswami, after taking a spoonful of sweet rice. So when Sanatan Goswami tasted the sweet rice, the kheer, immediately Sanatan Goswami feel 8 symptoms of ecstasy. The hairs from his body stand on ends, and he was like proliferating. He was like, full of ecstasy. And Sanatan Goswami realized, hey, brother, where did you get this sweet rice? This is extraordinary sweet rice. This is out of this world. Then Rupa Goswami told, no, it just came from a little girl. She just cooked it. No. It's not an ordinary girl. That is not an ordinary girl. That is Radharani. No. He's not. He came there in Nandagaon. If I want to prove to you that he is from Nandagaon, you can come to me. Because Sanatan Goswami is like chastising Rupa Goswami. Why he is asking seva from Radharani? But Rupa Goswami said, no, she is not Radharani. She is like a covered girl there up the hill. So they went to confirm. Because Sanatan Goswami wanted to make sure. Because he felt something different. Then when they went to the Nandagaon, they knocked on the door and they're looking for Lali. Maya, where is this Lali who brought rice, milk, and sugar and other ingredients for sweet rice? And that Mataji, that Maya said, oh, she left our village 2 weeks ago. She has already married. So she is no longer here. Then suddenly, Sanatan Goswami and Rupa Goswami, they started crying. They cried and cried and cried. Then the Mayaji, why are you crying? Why are you crying? Then Sanatan Goswami told the Maya, told the Mataji, because we came here in Braj to serve Radharani, and now Radharani came here to serve us. That is a big offense to Srimati Radharani. Then Maya said, Arey, Baba, don't worry, this is Braj. Radharani, Krishna, they will also serve his devotees. So there's nothing to worry. Jai Shri Rupa Goswami ki jai. Sanatan Goswami ki jai.
Bola Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.
So you see, because of the bhakti of Sanatan Goswami and Rupa Goswami, they attracted even Radharani to come and serve them. In Radhakund, there is also another pastime where Radharani served the Goswamis. We will discuss that when we go to Radhakund. So, Srimati Radharani, Krishna, they are ready to offer seva to his devotees. You can attract them because of bhakti. If you have bhakti, you can attract Krishna.
Yes.
But if you don't have bhakti, you can attract only Kans. No.
What's Kans?
Yeah, Kans means Kansa, demon. They call Kams.
Kamsa.
Yes, but Kamsa also Pramatura, so no problem. Okay, so this is the place of Rupa Goswami Samadhi. This is where he wrote not only the Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, also the Sri Nectar of Instruction, Upadesamrita. So So this is also the spot where he wrote. And other books of Rupa Goswami, as with Ujjwala Leelamani, Pajabali, I think Rupa Goswami also wrote that books here.
Yes.
So this is a very special place. This is a place for bhajan. Many devotees, they come here to do japa,
Yes.
like 64 rounds japa.
Yes.
Only here they will chant. Nobody will talk. They will just finish the holy name retreat. They usually held it here in Terkadam. Okay.
Okay.
Jai ho Terkadam ki
Jai. Where is the samadhi of Srila Rupa Sanatan Goswami?
Sanatan Goswami, we went
Oh, acha.
in Pavan Sarovar.
Acha.
That is the
And Rupa Goswami is in Damodar.
Pavan Sarovar. That is Bhajan Kutir. Sanatan Goswami, we went to Madan Mohan.
Madan
Remember,
Mohan.
there is a temple.
Acha.
Madan Mohan. That is
Acha.
the samadhi. Rupa Goswami, we went
In
to Madan
Damodar Temple.
We just
Haribol.
visited a few days ago.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Jai ho, jai ho.
Jai ho, jai ho.
Nanda Kilala ki
Jai.
Terkadam ki
Jai.
Radha Rani ki
Jai.
jai. Sri Rup Sanatan Goswami ki
Jai.
Jai ho, jai ho.
Picture.
Okay, you speak. One bhajan. Okay, follow. Brajabasi dance. Brajabasi dance. That is Brajabasi dance. Oh. Interpretation man.
गाय बुलावे लाला गाय बुलावे लाला गाय बुला उता गैयन को रखवारो जाके ले बंसी वारो नंद गाम लगे बड़ो प्यारो जाके ले बंसी वारो मुरली वारो बंसी वारो मुरली वारो वारो नंद गाम लगे प्यारो जाके बंसी वारो नंद गाम लगे बड़ो प्यारो जाके ले बंसी वारो कृपा करे जब ही में आवे कृपा करे जब ही आवे हियम में आवे लला हियम आवे लला हियम आवे जब तक मैयन को रखारो खेले बंसी वारो नंद गाम लगे बड़ो प्यारो खेले बंसी वारो आशेश्वर पतवन शिव ने अंधेश्वर पतवन शिव ने नंदेश्वर पर्वतवन शिव नंदेश्वर पर्वतवन शिव ने जब तक कोयल बन रखवारो खेले बंसी वारो नंद गाम लगे बड़ो प्यारो खेले बंसी वारो मुरली वारो बंसी वारो मुरली वारो नंद गाम लगे प्यारो खेले बंसी वारो नंद गाम
You dance. Brajabasi dance.
खेले बंसी वारो बंसी वारो मुरली वारो बंसी वारो मुरली वारो नंद
Para kay Guru Chat ay.
बंसी वारो नंद गाम जाके बंसी वारो
Jai! Nanda Kilala ki jai! Very good. good, very good, very good.
Very good.
May katapat ka na.
Iya si lalaki.
Yeah! Lali, lali.
Lali.
Lali. Chalo, 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 chalo.
Hello.
Panisang village.
Hey, give me.
Lala.